Welcome to the ABI Snapshot, where we spotlight critical findings and the latest research from our global team of analysts. In this snapshot, we're speaking with Michael Larner, Distinguished Analyst at ABI Research. Michael will share some high-level findings of the ABI Research's 2024 State of Technology in the Manufacturing Industry report. Welcome, Michael.
Thanks for having me.
This report is a result of a recently completed manufacturers' technology adoption and attitude survey. Tell us about it.
Yeah, of course. We recently completed a comprehensive survey of 400 manufacturing decision makers across the United States, Malaysia, and Germany to uncover real-world attitudes, adoption trends, and valuable insights that reflect current technology landscape within the manufacturing industry.
Was there a surprising takeaway?
Well, an interesting find from the survey is that 50% of the top 10 workforce challenges facing manufacturers are people, not technology related. This pertains to recruiting, retaining and upskilling staff among the top issues manufacturers are dealing with. Skilled individuals are required to operate and maintain equipment while also focusing on optimizing production lines. Simply put, there aren't enough of these types of individuals in the workforce today.
Do manufacturing professionals expect to make more use of technology in their operations?
Yes, 87.2% of respondents expect to make more use of technology to support their operations in the coming years. Technological change will be a feature of their working lives.
How do manufacturers perceive the role of cloud computing?
Well, according to the survey, 76% of manufacturers agree that the cloud can foster real-time collaboration with key stakeholders, making supply chain coordination more efficient. However, US manufacturers are less enthusiastic about cloud's ability to improve efficiency through scalability. This is compared to their German and Malaysian counterparts.
How important is private cellular in manufacturing operations?
Well, a strong and 74% of manufacturers agree or strongly agree that private cellular networks provide reliability and security necessary for streamlining manufacturing operations.
What are the top cyber risks faced by manufacturers across different countries?
The survey reveals some geographical differences in cyber risk concerns. Close to 35% of US and Malaysian firms rank new tech vulnerabilities, such as those related to cloud computing and AI, as the top cyber threat. German firms, on the other hand, identify data breaches and their theft as their primary concern.
How is generative AI perceived in manufacturing and operations?
Well, 78% of respondents believe generative AI's most common use case in manufacturing is to more quickly identify the root cause of production issues, highlighting its potential to improve operational efficiency.
What are the potential applications of the industrial metaverse in manufacturing?
Well, 79% of respondents agree that the industrial metaverse can assist with new product development. However, preferences for use cases vary by region. German and Malaysian firms see new product design as the top use case. US firms, on the other hand, prioritize using the industrial metaverse for staff training and upskilling.
How high is sustainability on manufacturers' agenda?
Supporting sustainability goals is a priority for 23% of US manufacturers, 22% of Malaysian manufacturers, but only 18% of German manufacturers. Decarbonisation and ESG reporting is generally more important to German manufacturers. The US and Malaysian manufacturers are more likely to see sustainability as an important challenge.
What is the most important investment area for manufacturers?
Improving quality levels was the top operational/business challenge, and QMS software seems to be the solution. For 50% of German manufacturers, QMS software was a second-ranked technology. 55% of Malaysian manufacturers and 48% of US manufacturers consider QMS software as an important investment area.
How can these survey results help manufacturers worldwide?
Innovation is the cornerstone of success in the manufacturing industry, and making a robust technology strategy is essential. The results of the survey are arming technology vendors and end users with real-world and current technology attitudes, adoption rates, and insights to gain a competitive advantage in the rapidly evolving industrial and manufacturing landscape.
Thanks so much, Michael. For a deeper dive into the state of technology in the manufacturing industry, visit abiresearch.com.